Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken for easy trading. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Kraken account, which typically takes just a few minutes for basic access. Once verified, you can fund your account using several convenient options, including bank transfers or by depositing various cryptocurrencies. Understanding the platform's layout is key to finding your desired trading pairs and executing trades efficiently. We'll cover these initial steps to get you comfortable with the platform. Now, let's place your very first trade on Kraken. Begin by selecting the cryptocurrency pair you're interested in, for example, Bitcoin versus the US dollar. You have two main order types. A market order executes immediately at the current best price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price for your trade. Decide on the amount you wish to buy or sell, review your order details carefully, and then confirm it to complete your transaction. It's a straightforward process. Kraken offers several order types to suit your trading strategy. A market order is perfect for quick execution, buying or selling immediately at the current market rate. For more control, a limit order lets you specify the exact price you want to buy or sell at, ensuring you don't overpay or undersell. Additionally, stop-loss orders are crucial for risk management, automatically closing your position if the price moves against you past a certain point, protecting your capital. Finally, effectively managing your portfolio on Kraken is essential for long-term success. Regularly check your open orders. You can modify or cancel them if market conditions shift unexpectedly. Your transaction history provides a comprehensive record of all your past trades, allowing you to analyze your performance and learn from your strategies. When you're ready, withdrawing your funds is a secure process, ensuring your assets are accessible. Kraken makes managing your investments straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.